Hello everyone, welcome back to GoRiya Kids channel. Today we are going to learn use of a and an. So let's start the video. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Some are vowel and some are consonant. So let's read about vowel and consonant. Vowel. There are 5 vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Now consonant. Consonant are 21. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and G. Use of an. When a word starts with vowel sound, we add an before the word. There are 5 vowel: A, E, I, O, U. Now examples for use of an. An umbrella, an ant, an ink, an elephant, an onion, an igloo, an owl, an unicorn. These all the words start with vowel. That's why we add an before the word. Now we read about use of a. When a word starts with a consonant sound, we add a before the word. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are consonant. Now let's take some example related to use of a. A dog, a cat, a pen, a kite, a zip, a watch, a lamp, a jug. All these words start with consonant sound. That's why we add a before the word. Now practice time. Fill in blanks using a or an. So picture, we add a soap. Next, aeroplane. Here we will write an aeroplane. Next, orange. Orange start with vowel, so we write an orange. Bag picture. Bag words start with consonant, so we add a bag. Next one, ice cream. Word ice cream start with vowel, so we add an ice cream. Mat. Mat word start with consonant, so here we write a mat. Next picture, cap. Cap word start with consonant, so we add a cap. Thanks for watching video. If you like video, please subscribe GoRiya Kids channel.